Hey, soap making buddies. This is Camille with Hazels Soapery, www.hazelsoapery.com. For new soap makers, I wanted to have a moment, a terminology moment. One of the things that will often happen is there may be, or sometimes, there may be a batch of soap that needs to be rebatched. And oftentimes there is some confusion between what is rebatching a batch of soap and what is hot process soap making. They are not the same. So what you see in the pot right now, this is Big Bertha, about 4 batches of hot process soap. I've used the external heating element to force the saponification process. If you look closely, you can see that I'm in my Vaseline phase now. And I will take this, I'll add my yogurt slurry, then I will separate them into the batches, fragrance, all of those other good things. That, even in a smaller crock pot, is what we call hot process soap making. When you have a batch of soap that has not done what it's supposed to do, it doesn't look right, you forgot your fragrance, any of those things, and you want to then melt it back down, right? You want to put it in a crock pot, you want to add a little water, slowly liquefy it so that you can add that fragrance or color or whatever you forgot. That is rebatching, right? So when you're asking questions, it helps us to help you better if you are using the appropriate terminology. So rebatching can be done with cold processed soap or hot processed soap. It's a good technique to learn because somebody is going to forget a fragrance at some point. It's happened to me, and it will happen to you, and it's fine. You just need to be able to communicate and understand the difference between the two. So this is hot process soap making. If I forget to add a fragrance in one of the batches, I'm going to get my smaller crock pot. I'm going to put it on low, slowly add a little bit of water, liquefy it again, and rebatch it. Add my fragrance, put it back in the mold, and we're good to go. So I hope this helps someone. Let me know in the comments if it does. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. I need to get my yogurt slurry in here now, so I'm signing off. Take care and have a wonderful day. Happy making.